to another video. I am going to be doing a little swatch slash review about these Maybelline. They are called the Superstay Matte Ink, and this is what they look like. These are pretty new to the drugstore, and I've been pretty active on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me already, I recommend it because I've been like posting on my story pretty lately, and I've been liking to interact with people. It's really fun. This was the most requested like makeup video that I added in my little questionnaire on my Instagram story. A lot of people wanted to know if these lipsticks were good, so this is why I am putting out this video. I ended up buying 12 colors. I think I started off with like 6, and then I found some more colors at another drugstore. I just want to start by talking a little bit about the product. So I have been like trying them for a few days and actually get to know the product a little bit more. I will say these are very long lasting lipsticks. It's just crazy. Like, the staying power is very good with these lipsticks. The color pigmentation is also really incredible. Like, they're super pigmented, and I really like that. I also think the color selection is really nice. There's kind of, you have like your nudes, your pinks, your reds, you have these really nice purples, and you also have like really cool tone shades, so that's really nice. And you have like a nice variety of browns as well. So I've really enjoyed like these lipsticks. The only thing I have not liked about these lipsticks, it's literally like one thing, is that they have kind of a sticky texture. Like, you see that? Like, they're sticky, and I don't understand why. Like, they're a matte lipstick. I mean, yeah, they're very long lasting, so it's just like the stickiness that kind of bothers me. So if you have like dry lips, which I've been having really bad dry lips as of lately, they've been like emphasizing my dry lips. So normally I have to put like a balm underneath, and I've been having to like top it off with like a gloss, something that's not like colorful, you know. It's kind of like a nude gloss or something that's clear. That kind of helps with the stickiness, but I don't know, it's just such a weird texture to me. And if you can get over that, then you'll probably really like these lipsticks. So for me, it's not like the biggest deal. It's not a deal breaker for me. So that's like literally the only thing I don't like about these lipsticks. But other than that, they are freaking awesome. So I'm just gonna start with some swatches. I kind of put them in order from lightest to darkest. Maybe I picked up colors that I actually thought I would wear, and one of them I'm kind of not sure if I would wear, but I still got it because I wanted to try it out. I am gonna say I'm not gonna actually swatch these on my lips like I typically do with other like reviews. These are really hard to remove from your lips. Like, they are very they kind of like stick to your lips. That's another like bad thing, that they're kind of hard to remove, so just keep that in mind when wearing kind of like a bright color like this one or something. First one is 55. It is called Driver, and this is the color. It's very pretty, really nice nude color. I would probably use this to kind of do like an ombre lip or something. I think it would be really nice. Specifically with this color, which is the next one, it's 65. It's called Seductress, and this is more kind of like a rosy mauve nude. I really like this one. It's actually the one I'm wearing on my lips right now. There is Seductress. This one's like a pale pink nude. It's called number 10, and it's Dreamer. Very pale on the nude side as well. They're super creamy as well. I forgot to say that. They're like a creamy formula. This one is Dreamer. The next one is more of like a darker rosy mauve. It is called number 15. Lover, and this one is like probably one of my favorites. I really like this one. Now we're going into like the brighter pink. This is number 30. It's called Romantic, and this like screams summer to me. I am so excited for this color. This is gonna be a great summer color for me. I already know it. I love really bright lips in the summer, and I'm so excited for this. This one's also super nice. I'm so excited for this one too. It's called 25 Heroine, and it's pretty much like a really bright coral red color. I think they're so pretty in the summer, so can't say that enough. There's that one. This one is kind of like a berry red. It's called 20 Pioneer. I said that weird. Pretty much like a berry red. Has a little bit of a blue undertone. I really like this red. Going into the purples, this one is 40 Believer, and it's just like a really pretty purple. This is kind of like a more bright purple, I would say. I really like purple shades in the fall. I also really like using them in the summer, just depending on what I wear. Right there. What's it called again? Believer. So I wonder if they named it after Justin Bieber. This is a color that I was like a little iffy about getting, but I was like, okay, Jahan, you need to step out of your comfort zone. And this is number 95. It's Visionary. It's kind of like a smoky gray purple. It looks really pretty, just not really a color that I would actually wear. So I'm hoping I will like encourage myself to wear it. It's right here. Oh, by the way, I also wanted to point out that I really like how these are designed, that they're super pointy, because it makes it super easy to actually kind of line your lip. I kind of like it, like, not gonna lie. I think if I did a really cool smoky eye and I was wearing like a really badass outfit, this would look kind of awesome. The next one is a deep purple. It's 45. It's called Escapist. Really dark, so this would be really pretty for the fall time as well. Right here. These two I have mentioned in a previous video, which is like I was comparing them to the gingerbread man. So the next one is 75. It's called Fighter. I really love this color. It's just kind of like a brownish nude color. So Fighter right there. Look at this. So pretty. And then the last color is 70. It's Amazonian. This has a little bit more of like a caramel tone, a little bit lighter than Fighter. Fighter seems to have like more orange in it, and this has more nude. So can't do this. It's right there. As you can see, these are all the swatches. Again, I apologize for not doing this on my lips, but I'm pretty sure that my lips would be destroyed after applying all of these on my lip. So, okay, I kind of did like a really bad job at an ombre lip with these two colors. I was just kind of like wanting to play a little bit, so that's what that one looks like. I'm just, that stickiness, man, like after a while you kind of get used to it, but it's just like the first time you apply it, it's so sticky and I don't know why. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that was helpful. If you guys have any extra questions, just leave them down below. Let me know which color is your favorite. I definitely think like these pinks, I don't know, I just really like them all. I could definitely see myself wearing all of these colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Jahan and I'm so happy that you are here. I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and also hit that little notification bell so that you can get notified every time that I upload a video. Right now my schedule is a little hectic. My daughter is kind of going through like a really weird sleep pattern and I've just been exhausted, and I've been trying to we're getting ready to have a garage sale pretty soon, so I've been trying to declutter as much stuff as I can, and it just takes so much time when you have this toddler who constantly wants your attention. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I am on there literally every day. I like to post stuff, more of like my daily life on there, so if you're interested in that, definitely follow me. It's just like my old username, which is what Jay said. That's just what my old like username account was for YouTube, and then I just changed it to my name, so it's just what Jay said, and everything is linked down below. I will see you guys next time. Bye.